left with, I think, 6 7 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is done. So we have 30 minutes only. Okay. So without wasting the time, I'm starting my session now, and, after this we will have 3:30. You will have, I think, your English class. Okay, so make sure you join that class. And what else is, yeah. So in the next few days we will have our Zoom license, so we can have a 1 hour, 2 hour session, whatever you want. So it will not be disconnected. So in case if I, if I don't have a time, like if I'm unable to finish my PPT in time, I will ask you to rejoin. But so far, I'm going to start it. So, Mr. Harris, can you please record this session? Harris, you there? Okay. Okay. So, first of all, please go on mute, everyone. So he's not talking. So let me share my screen. So you know what our schedule is, something like. Um, okay, I'm going to explain that. What is our schedule for today and coming classes? But like my sessions, like I will be conducting session in February. But before that, in between, I can have some lectures with you guys. But the other faculties will be here, so they will be having their own functionality. Okay, someone is there. He's doing something. 1 second. So annotation. Okay, fine. So I will make sure so there is no child here to disturb our class. Okay. So let me start. So
Nazim sir,
yes, sir.
Nazim sir, somebody, Muhammad Nasir was asking, can you explain in Urdu also? Because he was from Urdu medium and he did graduation also in Urdu. Can you mix English and Urdu language both?
No, no. Why? Because the courses we are going to train, that is for the IT. Okay, and in IT, no one will take your interview in the Urdu, and no one, and Urdu is not allowed there. Regional languages are not allowed there. So from day one, we are encouraging all the guys that this course is for the IT. If you want to enter into the IT, the primary condition is you should know the English. Okay. So for some time, okay, we can use some mix, but I will not allow. Why? Because um, you- if I start speaking in Urdu, so everyone will okay, it will be easy, so everyone can understand. But what about the interviews? How you will be survive in the IT industry with Urdu? So that is what the training purpose of this one is, technical plus English communication. So Mr. Nasser, like after this we have a communication class, so you should attend that and learn the English, start learning the English, because English is globally accepted language and it is required there. Okay, so let's start. Today I'm going to take the session, career in information technology. So I will be extending my lecture like what we discussed yesterday, right? From yesterday class, it was the high level view. So today I'm going to go in deeper. So career information in technology. Like now, I'm expecting you guys are going to make your career in information technology. So I'm going to explain what is information technology, what are the scope available there, what are the opportunities, and what are the available field where you can make your career. Okay, so let's start it. So in agenda, I will, what is information technology, then career option, available fields, and right approach. We'll discuss on that. So first of all, what is information technology? IT, we called it in the form it means information technology. IT is a business sector that deal with the computing, including hardware, software, telecommunication, anything involved in transmittal information or system that facilitate the communication. So what it mean is any business. So in very short form and in very simple way, I can say, in any business where you use the computers, you use the internet, you use the application, you use the some data storage, websites and all, where the IT is involved. Okay, so like you need a hardware there, you need a database there to store your data, you need internet, you need security there, you need software design for your company, for your application, you need some network, you need some servers, and also you need some supports and all, right? So information technology, it is a combination of this, the place where we use the technology, right? If I ask you like just take any example, just think about any small bank. Okay, what is in the bank? If you go to the bank, so there they will have a computers, right? So they will have your application, so they will ask you what is your account number. If suppose you want to withdraw some money, so in that slip you will provide your name, your account number, and your amount. And when you see that, so that person, he will enter your account number into their application. So in their database they will have a list. Okay, this particular guy is having this many amount and in his account, so he will add that amount. Okay, in that, and then it will be plus, that amount will be get plus, so it will get stored. So in the next time, next day if you come that, so you will have, you will see your amount there. So that is the place where information technology use. So the repetitive job will get easy. Okay, so this is the place where information technology use. So it is a, like everything is a technology, nothing manual, nothing everything is manageable. Okay, now where do you use the IT? So there are few this particular slide like I usually encourage guys. So there are few students, they think that information technology means in Hyderabad high tech city only. Okay, so but that is totally wrong. Information technology, it is everywhere. How? Okay, so just now I told you IT means what? The place where we use a computer, we use a technology, we use the information to be stored, that place called a IT, right? So medicine, if you go to the hospitals, in the hospitals nowadays, you will have your own record. They will ask your mobile number, can I have your mobile number? So it will get all patients detail, when he registered, who is the concern like um, doctor for him, what are the his disease, everything you will get that record, right? So first they will ask you, can you register please? If it are first time you visit, you need to get the registered. So they are using the application, they have the computers, they have a printer, they have a server somewhere, they have some storage where they store the their patient information, right? So don't you get a job there? If you learn the course, this course, don't you work in the hospital? Yes, yes, that is what we are going to target. So we are not going to target a limited, we are going to target in a vast places. So any computer engineer, yeah, any IT guy, he can work in the hospital. Yeah, I'm talking about the corporate hospital. You can go to any hospital, you will see. So you can make application, you can support there. Okay, they will have their IT team. Okay, similarly in engineering, architecture, okay, the designing and everything nowadays, it is on the softwares, right? Finance, just now we talk about the banks, right? Management, marketing, every marketing is happening on the IT. They use their different technology, their things, and their market to the things. Hotel management, hotel management, if you go to any five-star hotel, so they will have their own servers. So once you come, so they will see how many rooms are available. Okay. And in which room what is the cleaning happening or not. So everything is application. So once the cleaning done, so cleaner, it will he will put one button there. So it will say that in the reception it will come to know that okay, cleaning is done there. So can you see there is management for with the help of IT. So can you work in the hotel? Yes. The place where computers are there, where systems are there, networks are there, yes, we are eligible to work there. Travel and tourism, right? Anyone can book the ticket. So like what is American Airlines. You know American Airlines. In every minute, one flight will be fly, or one flight will be arrived in American Airlines. So that many planes, that many schedule worldwide. I'm talking about worldwide. So do you think how they are managing? A person, he if you are going to book American Airlines, so you are booking actually okay, in the booking, you are going to say okay, what is the schedule for that American. So it will give you the plane, it will be arrive this time, it will be departure from this time, from this airport to that airport. Okay, apart from that, you are booking your seats, you are booking your food. So in the application, the same application, you can view in the plane as well. So in the plane, they are able to see what is the food available there. So that next airport, yeah, they can feed that. What is the technical error? What is so everything is managed. So this travel and tourism, yes, you can work in travel and tourism. Interior designing, yes, you can work everywhere. The software, the place the technology use, that is the one. Right, automobile, all the cars and hardwares, these all things are working on the automation now. Automobiles, yes, you can work there. So if you see here now, I'm extending entertainment, movie making, cartoon making, music, short videos nowadays, WhatsApp, Twitter. So these videos editing and all, entertainment, IT is used or not there. Just think about it. Just try to think broader way. Entertainment, yes. Then real estate, construction, if you go to any construction, any, I'm talking about the big construction organization. So they will have their application. So which place you can able to see, if suppose you reserve your apartment, your flat somewhere, so you will able to see is it reserved or not. Like what is the status of your apartment, is it ready or not, or how much payment you paid there. So everything you can see there. Arts, yes, arts, again galleries and all, it will come there. Hospital, tourism, education. Do you just tell me which college don't, which school, which college don't have a labs, computer labs, right? Every college, that is actually the just forget about the engineering. Just think about the any schools. Every school have the computer labs there. Don't you get the job there? Yes, you can get the, you can manage the that lab, you can teach that computer. So still within Hyderabad, you can in your local area, you can have 15,000 salary for computer teaching, teaching and the administration. Yes, you can get that. Then healthcare, hospitals, banking sector, then IT. Then you see, out of this place, this is the place, the IT, the high tech city and all. See, but what about others? So we are going to explore these options. So we are going to learn the courses where you can be applicable anywhere. You can work in the hotels. You can apply for the college labs. You can apply for the hospital labs, education sector. Everywhere you can start your career. Okay, so if I go here, so IT is, it is called as a big it is used everywhere, in entertainment, personal communication. See, phone, cell phone, WhatsApp. What is this WhatsApp, right? Day to day living, yes, buying ticket, on ordering books, electronic banking, this is IT. Then internal communication, the networks, website, when you browse the website and all, this is the IT, right? So IT, the career in IT. So what are the major places where you can make your career? Developer, you can learn any language, you can become a developer. DBA, database administration. Okay, so every, like as I told, when you go to the hospital, so they will ask your mobile number. So if you are if you already visited the hospital, so they will get the data, right? They will get the data. Okay, this user is it was already there. So their information is stored somewhere. So that is the DBA. Okay, database administration. So they maintain the database. System administrator, the username, password, the project management. You can make your career in project management, right? Analyst, you can become analyst in any technology. Software engineer, yeah, you can build a software. Web designer, you can develop the websites and all, right? Storage admin, then SEO expert. Then in the analyst, you can okay, in the system engineer you can have network engineer, you can be a security engineer, right? So n number of careers are there in IT. So if you choose one thing, so see, right, we are not focusing here, we are not going in the development. Why? Because like this course is for to achieve something. But development, it is a different field. Now I'm going to answer here. See, IT terminology. In the IT there are two terminology: hardware and software. Either you choose either you learn hardware and choose your job in the IT hardware, or either you learn the software and choose the job in the software. So we are we are going to choose this one, hardware. Why? Because hardware is the initial thing in the IT, which we are going to target, which we are going to teach you, and you are going to get the job there, inshallah. So that is the first approach of the hardware, right? The software, in the software, there are a number of field. So we are going to learn the computer hardwares, okay, IT hardwares, okay, where the management of the hardwares, and how to use the technologies to manage those hardwares and all, right? So we are focusing on the hardware. Okay, so now if you want to make your career in software, so what you need to do, you need to learn these languages: C, C++, Java, Python, VB. Then you can have, you can see this. These all are the languages, right? Pascal, assembly language, and all. So this is the programming. So you need to learn this, and by using this language, you can make a software. You can make a software. Okay, so the software tools and designing and all. So you can make that. The next is okay, IT career in testing. You can make your career in the testing, like how to uh, like if you build a software, so then these guys need to test that one. Next, you can make your career in storage, how to store the data, like SAP, Oracle, ERP. These are the big fields you can make your career. Okay. Then mobile marketing, internet marketing, digital marketing. These are the very nowadays boom in that. So you can see in the Facebook, or if you open any page, right side you will see the advertisement and all. So this is also one of the field. Okay. Then today everything is on the application. On your mobile touch, the car will come to your door. On your mobile touch, food will be your door. So this is the application world. You can become a application developer by using a different codes. Okay, so this all things comes in the software. Okay, but we are not going to make any software. What we are going to achieve is, in this course, you need to become, I can say, a doctor of the computer, a doctor of the mouse, doctor of the keyboard, doctor of the CPU. If something happen to the, like in the industry, in the IT company, like if any company is going to start, okay, so 500 users will be there. Few, 10 will be developer, 10 will be Java developer, 10 will be the VB developer, 10 will be management people, 10 like storage people. So it will, there will be multiple teams and all. So out of that there will be a 10 guys who will support this all computers, who will support all their user issues. Their internet is not working, their keyboard is gone, their plug is not working. Okay, like their hardware went down, something happened. So these are the guys. So these are the initial things. So these are the most of the every company will have this requirement. So we are going to achieve this type of positions. So like IT support, desktop support, right? Technical support, first line support, help desk. So they will call you and they will say my mouse is not working, my CPU is not working, something. So we are going to train you in this, what is in the CPU, how to assemble, deassemble, how to install the application and all. So we are going to learn, you are going to learn in this course how to assemble, how to plug and play and this one. The next thing is in the LAN, how to build a LAN. So LAN is nothing but these are the computers. It in the networking, you need to connect all these computers. So what is this cables? How to connect that cable? Right? How to access this switch? How to give the IP address? So how to get things? So you are going to learn in this course. Next, like if you are having any lab, like college lab, hospital lab, your simple lab, so you are just connecting all this computer to share the data. So you are going to learn in this course. So like a printer, so like out of four there is a one printer. So this printer can be accessible from all the switches, all the devices, every machine can access the printer. So that go your, so this is happening because of networking. What is networking? Networking is the sharing the data. Okay, by sharing the resources, two machines can be connect to each other, they can talk to each other, they can share the data. So okay, now after the LAN, we are going to learn the client and server. So there are two types of networking. We will learn in the detail later. So one is a peer-to-peer. In the peer-to-peer, like one, you are just connecting all the devices to one hardware, one switch. So here, every guy will have its own rights. Every guy is a client, every guy is a server. But now in the client server everything is managed. So in the same switch here you have two servers connected. So active directory server it is called. So it control all the machine. This guy will come what time, this guy will log in what time, can this guy access the internet, can this guy take the printer. So these all rights will be managed by this guy. So you are going to learn in this course the server administration, inshallah. Okay, so the networking, the like how to build the computer, how to connect to computer to the networks, and how to manage that computers from the servers. You're going to learn this in next. Computer networking, it's a big world actually. Okay, so connecting to the internet, like how, like if you see in the out of the eight machines, one printer, one server and one internet, how you're going to share that. So you're going to learn in this course, right? And then the cabling part will come here. Okay, and nowadays the technology, like it become very simple. So now you no need to go and do crimping and all, but now everything is like you will purchase directly how many meters, which cable you want, you can go and purchase. Okay, so we are going to, so you will become your job will be something like this. Sometime you need to like connect the cable and check is the networks are coming or not. Okay, so either these are the switches, you are able to learn the switch, how to monitor the switch, how to access that switch, and then routing, how to connect two branches. Or you have one floor, another floor is here, so how to connect these two floors, right? So by using the switching technology, you have one office in Hyderabad, one office in Saudi Arab, how to connect them, right? How to make the communication possible, you are going to learn in this one, right? So there, that is the networking. Then the security. Security is of one of very big field actually. So it's a huge field, every company required that, right? So um, we will have some section on the security also. The antivirus, the first line support will be on machine, the antivirus need to be installed. So we are going to see the antivirus, and I'm going to take some lecture on the security side also, like DOS and how the attackers will there, and how, what are the viruses and how to secure your organization. So this will, we will see that. Then cloud computing. Now see, we have seen the infrastructure. Like infrastructure means what, everything you will see a physical there, right? So desktop, servers, laptop, phone, printer and all. So now with the, and there was a cabling and all, but now in the cloud, See, your servers, your application will be in the cloud. You can sitting at home, you can access your, that these all things. These all are the shared one. So on your desktop will be at home, but you will be able to access this. Why? Because this is the cloud, cloud computing. So nothing will be physical, everything will be virtual. Only the desktop machine will be with you, but your devices, your application will be on the cloud, right? The best example I will tell you to understand cloud is, you know, Google Drive, right? Google Drive. What is Google Drive? You in your browser, you will see the Google Drive. You are able to store some data there. So what is the Google Drive? Google Drive is nothing but it is in the cloud. There is some server in the cloud, so you are able to upload, download your photos, and you are sharing the data. So cloud is nothing but the Google Drive is the best example of that. Okay, so we are going to learn this one also. Okay, and the next major part is after learning these courses, we are going to make your resume. So every individual guy will have their own email address. You need to prepare a job portal. We have Monster, Naukri.com, and also you need to make first email address, and you need to take one dedicated phone number. Then we will make your resume. Okay, every individual will have the resume, and we will guide you. Okay, now upload your CV. Okay, we will have a sessions on that, how to upload that and all. First we will have few days on making resumes and all. So once you upload, then you will start getting the calls. Okay, you will start getting the calls, and once you get the call, you need to inform in the group, hey, I got the call. I got there is some opening here in this company. So remaining people can also go there. So this is a teamwork. So one by one, like first we will learn. So next 2 months, don't think about the jobs. Just focus on your jobs. Just focus on the technology what you are learning. Take the notes very strictly. Please, I'm tagging you. Take the notes. Don't take these classes very light. So take the pen and paper with you and try to take the notes and every day, and uh, do the regularity. Okay, ask the question, ask the tutor what is the question. And in the weekend, like Saturdays and all, we will have some physical classes also, because there are something like assembling, installation, demonstration. This will be in you will have some physical classes. So we will inform you. Sometime you need to come to for the physical classes also, but not this Saturday, in the later. So this is all about the introduction part. I think I'm done with my lecture for today. So and meeting also going to end. So no problem. Inshallah, we will continue next day. So your next class will be, I think, 3:30. So just for first few days